Hello friends, today we will discuss about the question tags. Question tags are used more in our daily discourse or when we speak in English. We do not use question tags that much when we write in English. Now we use question tags when we expect our listener to agree with us on a certain statement. Now that statement can be positive statement and it can be negative statement. Similarly, question tags are of two types. Either a question tag can be positive or it can be negative. Now there is a certain rule for using question tags. The rule is when we are saying a positive statement, then we often use a negative question tag with that statement. On the other hand, when we say a negative statement, we use a positive question tag with that statement. As for example, today is Monday. It is a positive statement. We are expressing a certain information that today is Monday. And with this statement, we will use isn't it? This is a question tag and it is a negative question tag. Similarly, she is a doctor. Isn't she? You love to play cricket. Don't you? Now in these examples, the statements, all three statements are positive and the question tags used with them, isn't it, isn't she or don't you, all these are negative question tags. Similarly, when we are saying a negative statement such as she is not my friend. Is she? This statement is a negative statement. She is not my friend. It is a negative statement and with this we will use a positive question tag. Is she? Similarly, you do not like bananas. Do you? Trains never arrive on time. Do they? All these statements are negative statements and we are using positive question tags with them. When there is an auxiliary verb in a statement, we use it as the question tag. As for example, the phone didn't ring. Did it? He is playing cricket. Isn't he? He has completed his homework. Hasn't he? Now all these statements contains an auxiliary verb and we have used it. When the verb in the sentence is in present simple tense and it is a positive statement, then we use don't, didn't or doesn't as the question tag. As for example, I said this. Didn't I? He likes to play football. Doesn't he? He eats cake. Doesn't he? Now if a statement contains a modal verb, then we can use it as the question tag. As for example, they could hear me. Couldn't they? You won't tell anyone. You won't tell anyone. Will you? Now if the main verb in the statement is am, then we can use am I or aren't I as the question tag. We use am I when we have to use a positive question tag and aren't I when we use a negative question tag. As for example, am I? In this statement, I am never on time. We are using am I, a positive question tag. I am going to get a promotion. Aren't I? In the first case, in the first statement, I am never on time. It is a negative statement. So we have used am I, the positive question tag. In the second case, I am going to get a promotion. It is a positive statement. And we have used aren't I as the negative question tag. When we use I in a negative question tag, we don't use am, we use aren't. Okay? And in the positive question tag, we use am. So these are some rules by which we use question tags in our daily discourse.